Hi there, this video is next week's very aggressive, chilly, cool weather forecast UK 25. Like this video, thumbs up, the right side's going right this minute please. The date today is 21st of September, Sunday evening guys, 25. This is my weather forecast next week. I think it's going to be very cool and chilly across the southeast of England. It might be cold in the north of Scotland, especially around, Fort William, Highlands of Scotland, because it might even snow up there across the mountains, especially around Bendon, so I can't rule that out. Here we go guys, so it's about the upper global sea temperature, the place to stay with the upper global sea temperature, the west coast of South America, east and central and west Pacific region, the north Pacific Ocean upper global sea temperature, the north Atlantic upper global sea temperature, winter today, north west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature, winter today, and the Gulf of Mexico upper global sea temperature today. Wow, fascinating guys, looks like we're going towards a very weak La Nina in the east and central and western Pacific region at the moment. This is a precursor towards a very cold start to the winter across and late autumn across northwestern parts of Europe, across the UK. So we might get a white Christmas potentially. It's very close across the southeast suburbs. It's a very close one this year, guys. I'll keep an eye on that for you. And tomorrow, the temperature's been quite warm across the tropics at the moment, which is precursor towards more hurricanes across the Atlantic. There's not many hitting America this year. You're still going to watch out. There could be an old storm or hurricane, tropical storm forming around here around the Gulf of Mexico. The waters in the upper global sea temperature in the Gulf of Mexico are quite warm at the moment currently, so you've got to keep an eye on that. But it's all to play for the upper global sea temperature around the world globally at the moment. And very warm waters up here across the North Sea into the this part of the Denmark Strait around there. So it's all going on. Very interesting, guys. Waters upper global sea temperature today. This is the, the American 12 GFS said, what we're prediction for the future. That's next tropical storm coming towards the UK, which is going to be going towards Paris or towards Spain, Portugal by the looks of it. What's left, it dies out. High pressure Texas. You've got high pressure building up towards the first week of October. These very dry weather, quite mild air coming up from the southwest there, or southeasterly winds. Also from the continental Europe, so quite warm air. And then you've got this little system trying to head towards the UK as we go into the second week of October, which is interesting. Up into parts of Scotland. Present time, from the high pressure coming over the UK, bringing some very cold air, and cooler air from the north, across the north of the UK towards the southeast regions. It'll be quite chilly and very cool next week across the southeast. I don't think that's warmer, and that's that one there. So you go, it's the American 12 GFS model prediction for the year across the UK. These are the upper air temperatures across Wakingtown locally when I think today. Interesting, guys. Red line's the 30-year upper air temperature. White line's where the temperature's going. And down here, rainfall spikes across Wakingtown locally. It's going to be quite a dry spell. The American 12 GFS was about some showers and rain showers as we get into the end of September to October. I wouldn't get too excited. And down here, this is the white line's going well below average upper air temperature across Wakingtown locally. It doesn't recover until we get to the 28th of September. That's average roughly, where the red line is. So yeah, it's all to play for the upper air temperature in the future, guys. Very interesting across Wakingtown locally. This is the upper air temperature as we get into October across UK. The upper air temperature is quite warm in the southeast. So these strong southwesterly or southerly winds. Mild air coming in from the south. Very cold air locked up in Greenland at the moment, just north of Iceland. This is the weather forecast Met Office of Wakingtown locally. Tomorrow, talking about some very chilly, cool northeasterly winds. Highs of 15 Celsius. Pressure's 1,000, I think. And 27, yeah, 27. So there's high pressure of the UK. And it's quite dry next week. And not a lot of rain forecast. It's very dry next week. Not until Sunday, maybe some rain next Sunday. And Monday, a lot of showers. But it's all to play for. Temperature's very cool time of the year. It doesn't look like it's going to recover very much. Could get 18 Celsius. That's about average for September, but it's going to October and not far off it. And this is the, the the Arctic oscillation. When the Arctic oscillation is going positive like that, that means you've got low pressure over Greenland also, and you've got high pressure over the UK, which is going on right now, which is good news. And it's the same with that. That's a little bit behind the North Atlantic Ocean. It's a bit behind, but it's definitely agreeing with that. So the same idea. High pressure over the UK and low pressure over Greenland and over, Scandinavia. Interesting, guys. And this is the hurricane situation across the Atlantic Ocean right this minute, which is fascinating. You've got this drop away to look out here. Yeah, this drop away. That's one to look out for. That's one to worry about. And you've got the second one here, this yellow one, to look out for as well. So it's all going on at the moment across the, Let's see a bit more of that. Across there at the moment. So you've got to look out for that one. There you go. And this one here. And you've got that tropical storm turning into a hurricane. That's Glenbear. I can't pronounce it. There you go, guys. That's Glenbear. Going that way. It's going to hit the Azores as a tropical storm ex-hurricane potentially. And might hit Bermude as a hurricane. Please splash on sign gems. Put thumbs up, right, subscribe to me. Please believe in weather forecast. One of the best fun I went in the money news. Please splash on sign gems on YouTube.